need this.
Take your hat off and put the dress in.
Okay.
Show everybody your hat's empty.
My hat is empty.
Okay. Now what are you going to put in there?
A giraffe.
Show the giraffe in the hat.
A giraffe in the hat.
Yeah. Okay. Now what?
Now I need this, please.
Your magic scarf?
Yep, my magic scarf. Abracadabra, disappear.
Okay, did it disappear?
Yep, it did.
Look at that, folks.
Yay!
Okay, put your hat on.
Yay!
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right. No other grade, everyone.
Woo! And Joshua, bouncing on the chair.